In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Advanced Features. When you're ready, scroll all the way down, this time to click on Dual Messenger. Now, if you want to use separate contact list for your cloned app, you can click on it on the left, enable it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner, and then manage it by tapping on Select Contacts, and after hitting Add at the top right corner, picking all of those you wish to add to the list. When you finished, hit Done, also at the top right corner. If you ever change your mind, you can always disable Use Separate Contact List option by clicking on blue switcher and choosing OK in the pop-up. After managing that, to clone any app, tap on gray switcher next to it and hit Install in the pop-up to continue. Then wait. Choose Confirm and go back. So when I check it out, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. If you ever want to delete this clone, you can delete it like you would any other app by hitting Uninstall, or you can go back to the same section in your settings and use blue switcher. Wherever you decided, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!